Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to replace the flexible part of your exhaust system, and exactly is the rear catalytic converter with flex pipe. It means right there, the two flex pipes. So I started to remove it, and I did put some WD-40 on it, just to make sure I can unscrew all the nuts easily and the bolts either. So we have in the front 3 bolts. Here on the rear catalytic converter we have 3 nuts, and in the back we have 2 springs and also 2 nuts right here. It's not that hard to be removed, but I'm going to show you all the steps. So I'm going to start with the front ones, the hardest part, and finishing here. And then there is also a bracket that it holds the catalytic converter. Here I got a situation where sometimes you got stuck with this kind of bolts, which is really pretty rusty, and it got tightened up like crazy. And in this case you should just take kind of tool, anything, like just mix fire and keep it like until your bolt gets like red. And when I'm saying warm, it means hot, because otherwise you're not going to be able to take this ball out. So you should make sure you heat it up and then try to unscrew the rusty bolt. Alright guys, so I did unscrew it a little bit just to make sure. I use my both hands to unscrew and make sure the ball is going to work it out and screw it without damaging the bolt. So yep, that's the situation. Fire is helping very well in this situation. Just make sure you hit it very well. And here we go. We did remove everything, so our rear catalytic converter it's out, and the only last thing you have to do is just to push it in the back, and it's coming out. Yep, here we go. This is the old one. So here we have a smoke leak, and it's actually, it makes very bad noise when the engine is running. So that's why I'm replacing this part. Here is my brand new part. Of course, this is aftermarket. It comes with catalytic converter as well. I don't know if you can see it. It's inside right there. Yep. So I'm going to put it back together, and that's it. The job is done. So that's the new part. As you see here, is already connected and is ready to go. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and this was 2013 JX35 catalytic converter lower rear, catalytic converter removal with flex pipe, which this is a common problem on Nissan Pathfinders, on Nissan Quest, on Infinitis, which has the same engine, 3.5 V6. If this video helped you and it was useful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a comment below, and if you're first time on my YouTube channel, then give my channel a subscribe, because I'm always posting new videos every week for you to be able to fix your car home or at your garage, shop, outside next to your house. See you next time.